Aloha! Welcome back to Haima's Mahina, ʻŌlelo, Hawai'i series, where we continue to share a Hawaiian word of the day in celebration of the Hawaiian Language Month, and we focus on what to put into your go bag. Today's Hawaiian word of the day is Kelepona, lawe, lima, which in definition means mobile phone. A mobile phone is a crucial item in your go bag, as it enhances your ability to stay connected with your family, your friends, emergency services, and it enables you to receive updates and to coordinate with others during a crisis. It keeps you informed with real-time information, including weather alerts, evacuation routes, and emergency notifications, which are all critical for making informed decisions. Haima's Hawaiian word of the day is Kelepona, lawe, lima. Remember, emergency preparedness is a kako effort. Mahalo.